Okay, what I'm doing here today is installing some easy hinges. As you can see, I already did the passenger side door. It was relatively quick and simple, so I'm going to go ahead, take off the driver's side. Hopefully the bolts don't break. Oh, nice and easy. Matthew Camp, great guy to know. He approached me less than a year ago about his idea of this easy hinge, and so really didn't want anything to mess up my doors, because my hard doors are pretty nice shape. Although the PO, he did do a kind of a quick once over on the paint job, didn't take anything off and do things right, as you can see right there. Some surface rust will have to be taken care of. But as I'm taking these off, back to Matthew and his hinges, they look great. The only trouble we had was, or trouble I should say I had, I don't have the patience Matthew has to get up underneath the dash to undo the bolts. Oh, that has a little washer. First one with a washer. But as I'm taking these off, I mean, you can see it's just 6 bolts per door. Taking off 6 bolts on the door, and then just putting the 6 bolts back in. Yeah, these doors really need to. Okay. All right, so that's that. This is hinge. It's just tack welded right now. The design, look at that. It covers up the old spot, which makes me want to take a picture of this. Okay. Door without the... Okay, so we take the hinge. Obviously, he did his work. I mean, look at that. It just covers that right up. Now I put a little WD-40 on the bolt so they can travel a little bit easier through the somewhat 39 years of corrosion this vehicle has built up. But yeah, just gonna hand tighten them for now. So there's that one. And then now let's get the bottom one. Now I'm hoping that I didn't mess up top and bottom. Not sure if it really matters. Alright, that one's going a little tough. Get another one of these in here. Okay. So these we'll have to use a wrench for, because they're a little bit more corroded. Just to... Alright, just to get it a little snug. Like I said, the rust will have to be cleaned out, but as you can see, I mean, there, yeah. Alright, there we go, snug. So, but, okay, so there's the hinges bolted on. We just bring the door, put it in there, put it in there. Now, in the vehicle, the bolts are not snugged up. It's very hard to do. We do got to take them out so we can weld these, and he can weld those, and then they obviously got to be painted before final installation. But there we go. That's that. Goes up quickly. I gotta say, thank you, Matthew, for the beautiful hinges. I really didn't know if I wanted to do that, but now that they're on there and how easy they are, that's gonna be great. And maybe for my tube doors, we can get something where we have that, so it's an easy interchangeable part, and don't have to go to the empty boneyards and find the hinges. You know, just universal hinges, quick and easy. That is something that we love.